Welcome back. A major legal twist has shaken Nigeria's political landscape after a federal high court in Lokoja overturned its earlier judgments that recognized the Nigerian Democratic Congress, popularly known as the NDC, as a registered political party. The ruling has thrown the party's legal status into fresh uncertainty and reopened the case many believe had already been settled. With the 2027 general elections drawing closer, the decision is expected to have significant political and legal implications, especially for politicians and supporters who have been rallying behind the newly registered party. The Federal High Court, presided over by Justice Issa Dashin, ruled that its previous judgment directing the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to register the Nigerian Democratic Congress could no longer stand because an interested party was not included in the original proceedings. According to the court, the Peace Movement Party, known as PMP, claimed ownership of the logo that was eventually used by the NDC during its registration process. Since the Peace Movement Party was not given an opportunity to present its case before the earlier judgment was delivered, the court held that the decision affected its legal rights without granting it a fair hearing. Justice Dashin therefore set aside the previous judgment and ordered that all parties return to the legal position they occupied before the December 10, 2025 ruling. In practical terms, this means the legal foundation upon which the NDC was recognized has been temporarily removed until the matter is heard afresh, with every necessary party participating in the proceedings. Lawyer to the Peace Movement Party, C.S. Ekocha, explained that his clients approached the court after discovering that the logo being used by the Nigerian Democratic Congress had allegedly been submitted earlier by the Peace Movement Party during its registration process with INEC. According to him, his clients' rights were directly affected because the court's earlier judgment allowed another political party to use a logo that PMP claims belongs to it. The lawyer emphasized that the latest ruling does not conclude the case. Rather, it simply restores the matter to the beginning so that every party with a legal interest can be heard before the court reaches another decision. He described the ruling as an important victory for due process and fair hearing. Perhaps the most significant consequence of the judgment is its effect on actions already taken by the Independent National Electoral Commission, the INEC. According to Ekocha, every action carried out by INEC as a result of the previous judgment now stands reversed. This includes the recognition of the NDC as a political party, the issuance of its certificates of registration, its inclusion in INEC's official records, and any preparation involving the party that arose solely from the earlier court order. However, legal analysts have pointed out that the ruling should not automatically be interpreted as a permanent deregistration of the NDC. Instead, the court has simply ruled that the registration process must be reconsidered after all interested parties are given an opportunity to present their arguments before the courts. The decision highlights one of the most important principles of justice, the right to fair hearing. Courts are generally expected to ensure that no person or organization whose legal rights may be affected by a judgment is excluded from the proceedings. Where such exclusion occurs, the law often allows the affected party to challenge the judgments and request that it be set aside. Political observers believe the ruling could have immediate consequences for the NDC as it continues preparations ahead of future elections. Until the legal dispute is resolved, uncertainty may surround the party's official status, making it difficult to proceed confidently with internal party activities, membership expansion, candidate selection, and long-term political planning. The development also places fresh attention on INEC's role in implementing court judgments involving political parties. The Electoral Commission had earlier complied with the original court order by recognizing the NDC. Following the latest judgments, INEC may now be required to reverse those actions while awaiting the outcome of the fresh hearing. Beyond the courtroom, The ruling has already generated widespread reactions across Nigeria's political space. Supporters of the NDC argue that the legal setback is only temporary and remain optimistic that the party will eventually secure recognition after the matter is reheard. Others believe the case demonstrates the importance of ensuring that registration processes involving political parties are transparent and free from legal disputes that could later undermine public confidence. The case also underscores the increasingly competitive nature of Nigeria's political environment ahead of the 2027 elections. As new political parties emerge and existing ones reposition themselves, legal challenges surrounding party registration, symbols, logos, and constitutional compliance are likely to become more common. For now, the Nigerian Democratic Congress finds itself back before the Federal High Court, where the entire registration dispute will be reconsidered from the beginning. This time, the Peace Movement Party and every other interested party will participate fully in the proceedings, allowing the court to hear all sides before delivering a fresh judgment. The final outcome of the case could shape the political landscape significantly in the months ahead. If the court eventually upholds the NDC registration after hearing all parties, the party will likely continue its political activities with stronger legal backing. On the other hand, if the PMP party succeeds in proving its claims regarding ownership of the disputed logo or other legal issues surrounding the registration, the court could order further changes that may affect the future of the NDC. As Nigerians continue to watch developments closely, one thing is certain: the legal battle over the NDC is far from over. The latest ruling has not ended with the controversy, but has instead reopened one of the country's most closely watched political cases. Until the Federal High Court delivers a fresh judgment after hearing every interested party, uncertainty will continue to surround the legal status of the Nigerian Democratic Congress, making this one of the most important political and judicial stories to watch in the build-up to the 2027 general elections. If you find this report insightful, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more news reports. I'm Chidera Isom. Thank you for watching. See you next in the next reports.